In this video, I will show you how to create a Google form from scratch. Whether you want to create a survey, registration form, feedback form, quiz, or collect any kind of information online, Google Form make it quick and easy. By the end of this video, you will know how to create, customize, and share your Google Form with others. So guys, let's start the video. Open any browser on your laptop or desktop, and after that guys, log in with your Gmail account on your browser. Okay, after that guys, click here this option Gmail account and log in with your Gmail account. And after that guys, you can see here there are some dots. Click on it and find here Google Form. So guys, you can see here there are a form option. Click on it. And you can see here there are some templates. Okay, you can select here and customize. If you want to create a new, click here blank form. Okay, now close this window. Now guys, your title add here. So here we add a new title for our form. So we create a school form. Okay, so here I type school test form. And you can bold here, click on it. And if you want to customize this and you underline this, you can click here you. And after that guys, here from descriptions, type here your description. So how do you create this school test, you can explain here. This is for second class test paper. Okay, so you can bold it, click on it. You can set here like that if you want. If you want like one number, you can click here. If you want to dot, click here. And after that guys, click here. You can type here your question. So I type here name. I want to type here name. Okay, and there are some option. So we select here only short answer. Click on it and enable it required option. So guys, after that click here plus icon and you can create a new question here. So their last name and you can bold it. Okay, so enable it. And after that guys, click here again plus icon and type here email ID and you can select here any option here. So here again we select short answer, enable it. So we create a some question here. So guys, after that click here, there are some option customize theme and you can customize your theme. And if you select here red, this is the color and you can change here background color. And if you want to add any image, you can select here choose image. So here there are some images you can upload after clicking browser button. And if there are any photos, you can select here. Okay, and if you want to use any theme default, you can click here and select any theme here. So I click here and click here insert. So guys, you can see here the picture will added here. Okay, so you can delete, you can customize, resize. Okay, you can change the name if you want and click here publish and you can share anyone. Okay, and if you want to click link, copy, click here. If you want to share with anyone, you can click here and select this option, okay, and click here, done. So guys, if you want to publish, click here publish, and click here manage, and add here and select here email ID, and you can share. Okay, so this is your form. Thank you for watching.